reach by the time we get down there.
I think we can something by now. So that is a ways away.
I got 2 bangers, smoke grenades. Skylar has like 6 bangers. Alright, we ready? Water in my backpack.
Yes, sir.
Smooth.
Like break off here. Going right.
We'll probably have to like rappel the way to DEA so we can secure our drug narcotics and then move back. Sorry, my bad. My bad, bro, I'm sorry.
Yeah, let's go.
Following you.
Friendly. So, we ambushed 3 guys that were trying to come up the road over here. We shot them, but my main concern right now is that there's like nobody covering that direction because their FOB literally has a road straight back here.
Alright, you guys being real big.
Yeah, if you guys can do that, that would be fucking fantastic.
Right.
Thank you.
It's like a rocky, be careful. See the whole team. Yep. They're on a black building pushing into the town far right. They're about 50 yards, maybe 100 yards away. Hit!
Contact right! Bounding! Move back! Zach! Cover it! Go! Shit. There are two of them close to the brush down there, that really big thicket. Two of them shot my guys in the front, and we got one of them. I think there's still more down there. Yeah, straight down that way.
Get up on that fucking hill. Get up on the hill if you can. Get over the rock. Do whatever you can. Jump up there. Take that hill there.
It's over on this side of the road, probably one of ours. As far as I know, they haven't gotten down the right of the road yet. Zach, Skylar, you copy? Cartel. I don't see them. I see them. They're on the path. Somebody's in the fucking bushes. They might be down there, I'm not sure.
There's a feeling I was nailing. I can go take a look. I got nothing on.
Skylar, Zach, back here.
Good? Negative.
Actually, any real life danger in that shit's still scary.
It would be fucking terrifying. I would shoot it so quick.
Yeah, put my fucking chest strap on, smack in my ear, bro.
Yeah, man, it's moving!
Smoke those infantry. Van's moving! Yeah, van's going up left.
I'm not advancing any further. We got a lot of guys.
Me neither. Get that gunner seat suppressed! What the fuck are they doing? They're fucking hiding in it. Hey, they're hiding in it. Just get up on it. Fucked it up. Hey, get another one. We're not dead. We're dead. I fucked it. That was me. Yep. We're dead from that.
What is that bleed out time?
I should have fucking said something. I probably should have.